Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about cryptos, talking about this new Apex. I sure am excited. Leverage trading. I like it. I think that's where it's at. Makes me happy. I'm just waiting for it to go live. I've been doing pretty well with it. Couple losses. That's okay. We're keeping them small. Trying to let the winners go. You know how it is. That's trading. You do that, you'll be around. You don't, you won't make it. You got to have money management. Got to keep that thing in your head between your ears and check. Keep you from doing things you don't want to be doing from fear and greed. Sounds crazy, but you start clicking buttons out of control, out of fear, out of anger. Maybe you took a couple losses and you traded a little bit too large to try to get it back. It'll mess with your head. You'll end up losing money. You need to stay calm. You need to have a plan. You need to stick with it. Stick to your money management rules. You can do that. You will make money. Meanwhile, let's take a look. Here's my account, my arbitraging account. I'm waiting to be able to use this for the Apex or for Trade Pro, both if I can. Anything to try to make an extra income. Because multiple income streams for me is where it's at. It's what I want, another income stream. And I'm hoping to get it soon. Go over here to Crypto Beta on the Apex. And boom, Bitcoin, US dollar. We look over here in the chart, everything's down. Look over here, it's going down. But we're going sideways. Doesn't mean we're going to keep going down, or we're going to bounce and go up. If you look right here, we're pretty much on the floor, it looks like on the day chart. And you can see we've been over here before. Looks like we got a little bit of support right there. We got support here. So this whole area is support. So we need to penetrate through it or bounce up. That'll be the key, which way. So let's go ahead and put our indicators on. You know which ones I like. Got the MACD. And the moving average. Boom, done. Close it. There we are. So now we're above the moving average, but we got a red candle. We're below the zero line on the day chart. So unless this crosses through on a day chart, you would have a sell trade if everything turned red down here. But that's a day chart. I don't mess with that. I just look for it for direction. We go to 4 hour. We see we're above and we're just breaking below. We're below. We got a green. We're waiting for this to go red again, and you got a sell trade. And that's on a 4 hour. Wow. So that's definitely direction there. Let's see it on a 1 hour. 1 hour says we're below. We're starting to move down again. We're still below the moving average, waiting for a red candle and waiting for the moving average to turn red. Not the moving average, the MACD to turn red, but still stay underneath the zero line. So this could still be a sell trade on here. Now let's take it down to a 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart says we got a morning star. We're trying to break back up. We already were going up. We dropped back down, but we're going to try to go back up. Will it make it, or will it drop straight to the bottom? Over here it says we're going down, so be careful. Let's take it to a 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart says we broke through. We're waiting for a break above and a candle going up. So this could be a reversal. We're just waiting for a break above on the MACD. So we got the candle, got the MACD. We're just waiting for it to go. Now, whatever time frame you're trading, you should try to stay to that. It's good to go around and get information from the other time frames, but don't let them influence your trading, not too much. Otherwise, you get all mixed up because 1 minute might say trade, 3 minute might be trade, 5 minutes no trade, 15 minutes no trade. It gets a little confusing. So you got to stick to one time frame to make your entries. You can get information from the smaller ones, but even then, sometimes that'll mess you up. I try to just stay to the 5 minute. I'll go down to the 1 minute, 3 minutes just to give you guys some idea of what's going on. But I try not to base my trades on those. I tend to lose if I do. So, yeah, even 5 minutes hard enough. 5 minutes is a little bit too fast. I like the 15 myself. But for a 10-minute video, 15-minute chart don't work out well. Unless I already took the trade and just want to show you the aftermath. So right now we're starting to get an evening star. We can get it to go red below the zero line. This will be a sell trade. We can take a look at the lower time frames. Three minutes says we're still above. We're just going sideways. 1 minute says we're below, and we haven't broken the zero line yet. So it tells you we're almost there, but not there yet. This one will show the trade first, then we'll go to 3 minute, it'll show the trade. Then we'll go to 5 minute, it'll show the trade. One more small move down, and this one will be a sell trade. There it is, sell trade now. So let's go look at 3 minute. 3 minutes, not a sell trade yet. We're still above, we're going sideways. This breaks below, and we get a break of the zero line going red. Signal lines crossed, then we got a sell trade. See, now it's wanting to try to go back up. That's why I try to stay away from the 1 and 3 minutes. A little bit too crazy for me. Might be getting a buy trade right here. Went down here, we bounced off support, which would be the moving average. Moving average is basically a support line. So if we got one leg here and we had a rest, the other leg will be about the same size. So we're just waiting for it to give us the buy signal. And there we got it. Green, green, green. We're done. We're ready to go. We got a trade. Doesn't mean we'll win, but we got a trade. It's within our parameters and it's within our plan. Now we'll see what happens. Almost into profit. Waiting for the second leg up. Should be as long as this leg, so should come up past this line up here. Almost there. One more push up and we got it. There we go. Starting to go. Okay, we're into profit. See if we get another push up. It's fighting us. Never likes to give up the money, I noticed. Right on the edge of being in profit. Come on, one more push up. You can do it. We're just barely into profit. Still need a little push up. Almost there. There we go, a little more. One more push. Like we're having a baby here. There it is. Baby's crowning. Take it. There we go. Easy peasy. Now what I want to show you on this, I'm running out of time on this video, is I like to go down once I can get into a trade. Go down to the Heikin-Ashi candle. Not that one. So it's green. You want to stay in this candle, into this trade, till we get a red candle. We're getting out early just because of the video. But if you want to stay in until you get red, that's the way to go. All right, you guys, stay ARB strong. We will talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.